Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you update iOS 26.4. So this video might be interesting for you. How many features we are receiving in your iPhone? Let's start. Number one, if you open here, podcast application, look at this here. What is a new Apple podcast? Video podcast. Get video episode from showing you to directly on the follow. If you click here and if you play here, so such kind of development features you are receiving. Number two, open here Apple Music. Look at this. What is the new in Apple Music? A new look for the album and playlist. If I open here one of my playlist, so we are receiving totally new look. Previously this look is not showing, but now this time they are introducing such amazing updates of new look in your playlist and favorite song as well, and you can apply here AI related features as well. Next update, if you enter here setting and then wallpaper, if you see here new wallpaper and scroll down, look at this here, the bunch of different option we are receiving here, and this is the content outline, whether astronomy, emoji, and you if you want download this one, you can very easily download like iOS 26 related wallpaper, 17 Pro Max and other collection. Here the interesting fact, if you want download this one, you can just simply get this one and download those wallpaper as well. It's really impressive, and afterwards you can very easily fix this wallpaper, which wallpaper you want, like accordingly you should decide. And next thing, reminder one, if you see here, introducing urgent reminder, get alarm, snooze and stay reminder as well. So here how many reminder you schedule here, and then how after complete this list is automatically coming here. Previously this feature is not available, so they are introducing this one, is a much important. Next features coming here in widget format. If you click here in the widget and add the control, here ambient music option they are introducing new. Next feature comes in the App Store. If you open here App Store, click here in your profile picture, so look at this here, some graphical representation they are changing, add money, redeem code and gift. Previously this one is in one line only, so this is the small update, but it's a really impressive update we are receiving here. Next features comes here, look at this here, free from application, new icon we are receiving here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.